inspiring models, visionary entrepreneurs, and fashion enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking on a transformative journey through the vibrant world of fashion. Our goal, you ask? To illuminate the divine path of diversity and inclusion, a journey where everyone can shine in alignment with their values. Fashion is more than fabric and design. It is a powerful expression of style and creativity. In recent years, the industry has awakened to the beauty of diversity, championing inclusivity across body types, ethnicities, and creative expression. This evolution is not just a trend either, right? It's a testament to the divine tapestry of humanity and our ability to love our neighbors as Christ loved the church. In Genesis 1:27, we are reminded God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them, male and female, he created them. This scripture speaks to the inherent value and beauty in every individual. The fashion industry is beginning to reflect this truth, proving that everyone, regardless of size, color, or gender, deserves a place in the spotlight, without conforming to the status quo of the world system, obviously. Brands like Universal Standard and Fenty Beauty, for instance, are leading in this change and this charge. They've embraced inclusivity, featuring models of all shapes, shades, and cultures. Their success stories are a testament to the power of embracing diversity. And as you embark on your own journey, remember that your uniqueness is your greatest asset, okay? And it aligns with living out your values. I mean, look at me. So, how can you implement this divine diversity in your own pursuits, you may ask? Here are 3 ways to start. Cultivate a diverse network, okay? Surround yourself with voices and perspectives different from your own. Proverbs 27:17 says, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. A diverse network will enrich your creativity and broaden your vision, helping you stay true to your values. Number 2, champion inclusivity in your brand. Whether you're a model, designer, or entrepreneur, prioritize seeking God to enlighten your choices. Create or support brands that reflect the glory and majesty of the Lord, okay? This isn't just a moral choice. It's a business strategy that resonates with today's conscious consumers and aligns with your faith. And finally, number 3, embrace your divinely unique purpose. As you always hear me say, remember, authenticity is your superpower, okay? Like David in 1 Samuel 16:7, who was chosen for his heart, not his appearance, your true self is what the world needs, okay? Let your light shine brightly, just as we are called to love others as we love ourselves, all right? God has made you exactly how he intended to make you, okay? There's no imperfections there, right? We were all created in his image and we were born for his glory, okay? So just love yourself. Love yourself is what I'm trying to get at, all right? Let this be your call to action to step boldly into the fashion world with faith and authenticity. Together, we will weave a future where everyone is seen, celebrated, and cherished. A future that reflects the divine beauty within us all, staying true to our values and the call to love. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.